On September 21st, 2023, officers Matthew Tilton, David James, and with the Cherry Hill Police Department responded to a report of a shoplifting in progress at Dick's Sporting Goods on 2130 Route 70 West. They first made contact with a store employee who informed them that they noticed a woman removing security sensors off their merchandise in the fitting room before attempting to conceal them in a tote bag. Store employees waited outside the fitting room and retrieved $825 worth of items to store staff. However, she still kept $579.94 worth of items. The officers walked back towards the boys section and made contact with the alleged shoplifter, who was identified as Danielle Gagne.
She's over in kids. Yeah, soccer.
So she went in the fitting room. She was in there for like 45 minutes. You could hear her popping the tag. And then, like, she got a pile of stuff in there and pop broken sensors in the pockets and stuff. Yeah. So she had a bag, it's full. It's in her shopping cart.
Gotcha.
So, but then they just bought her a pair of cleats, and now she's over looking at soccer shorts. Well, there's no sensors on her soccer shorts, so she wouldn't be popping them over there.
Yeah.
But this was all fitting stuff, and that's all that.
There probably more. Nobody went into the. Nobody in. It was just.
Yeah.
You guys went.
Drinks? Yeah, so.
Everything when she actually. She left it all in there?
Well, she left some stuff in there. The other manager that was here was like, "Do you need me to get your other stuff?" And she's like, "Oh no, here it is." And handed it the one that they and left the other stuff there. So then we went back in and got it all out.
How you doing, man? Can you help with anything? Okay.
You guys want to sign? Do you have a value?
Not yet.
No, we haven't done it yet.
Okay.
Yeah. And I guys get a sign?
I will, yeah. Like, this is the part I hate about my job.
It was just here.
We had the same thing.
Yesterday. We found him.
She's going to get you the value now. Appreciate it. Thank you.
So just so you know, it's going to be over 200 or not?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, like when Nike stuff is like $45 a pop. I'm still right there.
I think that either sweatshirt's 95 or something like that. So,
She's over there.
How you doing, man?
Where it says Campbell's first. She's over there with one of our associates, I guess.
She still has stuff with her, you said?
Her bag in her cart.
You said she concealed in her personal bag?
Is it like, is it like concealed in there, like a book bag? She stuffed stuff in
Like a
there?
tote bag.
on the surveillance, would be able to see her putting the stuff in the bag.
It's in the fitting room.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
You know, that's the only thing you could see is coming in with an
With an empty
empty
bag.
bag and then leaving with a full bag. She had
Gotcha.
left
Like
it.
magic, it became full.
She had a white shirt?
Yeah, the blonde.
With the ponytail. Okay.
Yeah. So now she's looking for baseball
She
socks.
did with Darby and Keith.
I heard him.
She's with somebody.
With our associate, yeah.
Somebody's like keeping an eye on her.
Well, he's helping her find baseball socks.
Cool. And all those shirts have tag sensors on them before they go into the...
Yeah. Most things do. There's some things that don't require to have sensors, but most things do.
And everything that was supposed to have a sensor on them that was in there was popped up.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have her earlier. She had a bag. She left it over here with $600-some.
And was she popping the tags too?
No, she just left her bag.
she
And
just
she
concealed it.
got mad and
So
dropped
she
the bag
brought
and
them,
walked
it
out.
was in there. It was in there for a long period of time. Exited, handed the clothes to the associates. So when she handed the clothing to the associates, the sensors were removed and they were in the pockets. And then that's not how they went in there.
Yeah.
So that's enough for us. I just want to know. There you go. We'll take care of it. So we'll come back to you. We'll take her out. And then find it.
Hey,
So this is what we'll just walk up, say, hey, gotta talk to you, slap the cuff on. Yeah. And then we get slammed.
Got that, Bess?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Sorry.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hi, how are you?
We gotta talk to you about something. All right?
What?
We know you're
Shopping?
taking sensors off shit. All
What?
right?
Take
No, we know.
I have stuff that I'm buying all year.
So listen.
I have
Look, don't reach in your bag, all right?
All right.
Miss, you can just turn around.
So we're gonna take.
What? I'm
Just gonna be
buying
detained.
stuff.
Just gonna be detained.
I didn't even. Alright, let me put my jacket.
No.
You can leave this for now.
I didn't even leave the
Miss, you're just gonna be
store.
detained.
Remove
You
sensors
took
off of
the stuff
merchandise.
off. I didn't need. I could understand if I left the store if you charged me, but I didn't
can't
leave the store.
Yeah,
Turn
so
your hands
you
this way.
can't
All right.
pull sensors off merchandise, even if you didn't leave the store
It
yet.
was the couple of them were in the way, and some of them didn't have it.
You can't remove them.
Yeah, you're not allowed to
They're
do
on there for
that.
security purposes.
Yeah, but I didn't leave, and it's in my bag to check out with. This is crazy,
What's your name?
Danielle. I mean, this is nuts. Can you put what's not? This is nuts. I
This is
didn't
only
even leave
for
the
everything
store.
up there. This has nothing to do with that, unless there's.
No,
Unless
I
there's
was gonna
merchandise in your
buy
bag.
it.
So.
I was gonna buy it.
You're gonna buy it? Okay.
Yeah, can I go pay?
I mean, yeah. I mean, right now, we're not gonna let you pay, but we're gonna take all your personal stuff, and if they want to hold this on the side,
Is this theirs or yours?
I'm just gonna get that for my son first.
Okay. So this is theirs?
Yeah, see, but
nothing
this
to
is my thing.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like
No,
this
just
is
fine.
illegal because
it's not illegal, right? 'Cause you
I
can't go
didn't
into.
leave the store. I'm
You
just
don't
gonna
have to-
buy
You don't
it.
have to leave the store
The
in
guy
order for it to
helped me,
Let him explain.
Hold on.
bring
Hold
it,
on. Yeah.
but I'm like
Hold on.
getting
Danielle,
real frustrated.
listen,
Hold on.
listen.
Hold on. Listen. So
I
yeah,
don't want
if
to go
you
to jail. I mean,
listen, I'm
or
not
get
saying
in
anything
trouble.
about. Listen,
Like,
stop.
I'm handcuffed.
Hold on. Yeah, you're right.
the
If you
store.
walk out of the store with merchandise you didn't pay for,
Yeah, and I
you get
get
arrested,
walked out.
right? Also, if you remove sensors without leaving the store, if you literally remove a sensor from a product,
I didn't
that's
know
considered a
that.
shoplifting charge.
But I didn't shoplift. I was gonna go front.
It's
to
still
pay
the same.
for it.
It's still the
It's
same
part of the
thing.
statute.
I
Removing a
didn't- but I
sensor
didn't
or any
know
type
that.
of security device.
But the
I couldn't put them on properly without it.
You
I
can't.
mean, look at my butt. Trying to get an extra. No offense,
Really?
but trying to get an extra small.
Look at my
one.
butt. Try getting the knees. All right. So listen, I get
No.
it. All right. Seriously,
you got you beat.
Some of them didn't even have them on.
they're on there. You can get anything on.
Okay.
And if you can't get them on, you're supposed to go to the
And then
associate.
there's
You
tags.
can't
Yeah.
remove them. Yeah,
There's
listen.
tags
that's
in,
fine.
no,
This
like
is
in
good.
the tag. No, I want to
That's
show you
good.
something. No, I'm
That's
showing you
good.
something. Look.
This is yours.
Here,
Right?
yes. Let me grab
And this
that.
is your
That's
jacket
mine.
too?
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Grab this. I want to show you something.
We can see it.
Or hold on. All right, normally there's a tag in a shirt.
Mm-hmm.
There's always an electronic thing inside of there.
Okay.
So whether a tag is off or not, it's still going to go off from that.
Well, you're not allowed to
Okay.
remove
That's-
tags. You understand that?
It's the,
That's
I didn't know that
that's the
was
end
a
all
law.
be all.
I thought if I left, that's
Oh,
the
you-
stuff I was going to buy.
Look, so the tags are not a suggestion, all right? You can't remove them.
let's
but not all of them have.
do you have anything on you? Concealed anything like that? Do you have anything in
No.
your shoes? We just
No,
have to-
my phone is.
I got your phone. I
we're
put it in
not
here.
gonna leave your personal products here.
Do I have to like
All
go?
right. Do you have anything
Yeah,
else that's
we're gonna
yours
come
in
down.
this? This is your
I
empty
don't
tool
know.
bag. All right.
I don't know. Empty it out. I was gonna buy that stuff. I don't think I have. Did you grab my jacket? It was a Puma
Yeah.
one.
Puma one's right inside with your phone.
This is ridiculous. Like, I don't want to get in trouble for this. Like, I understand if I walked out of the store. You know what I mean?
It's
It's
I didn't walk out.
yeah, but that's not why we're
Yeah.
not why we're in this situation.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you walk out or
And
not, is what we're saying.
most of them didn't have it on it anyway.
They all like
No, I
anything-
promise you, not all of them
anything
did.
that had it was removed and in the pockets of the item that it was removed from.
Not by me. I didn't
just telling
remove
you.
all of them. I removed 2.
Oh, you removed two. Okay.
Yeah, off the pants so I could fit them.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you check through over there? Make
Just
sure I
check the
have
bag
everything?
over there.
You're grabbing me a little tight.
Can I have?
sorry.
We just.
Yeah,
Because I saw you.
just-
I saw you.
Yeah, I'm not. I swear.
No, I
I'm
know.
handcuffed.
I know, you're not
I'm not
going
gonna
nowhere.
leave.
I know.
Yeah, can just
You
a
can
little
let it
bit.
hang. You can let it
yeah,
hang. It's
just
fine.
a little bit.
Can't go nowhere.
Can you
You have,
lift all that up? Make sure that's mine.
Well, this is all hasn't been purchased yet. This is all.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Yeah, no, I know.
I mean, that's the freaking craziest part. I was gonna pay for this shit. I didn't leave the store. So what? I'm getting a shoplifting charge when I didn't
It's
shoplift?
not. Yeah, I don't. I think you're missing like what I'm saying.
Do I have to go down to the station
Yes.
and all? Like,
Yeah. It's
and I'm gonna get a charge?
it's not because you like physically removed the product out of the store.
I've never
You didn't
heard
do
of
that.
this in my life.
It's because you removed sensors off a product. You can't.
To buy. Who's gonna
That's
buy 'em?
not your. That's not for you to determine and for you to do. That's for
And
them to
there's
take.
even stuff in the tags. Inside the tag of a shirt.
So why was this inside your bag?
Oh, I forgot about that one.
Oh, you forgot about it? Okay.
Yeah, so even in here, there's stuff.
Yeah.
That'll go off.
I know.
Do you have anything sharp in your bag that could open it?
No.
You ever been arrested before?
No, that's
Never
not.
been arrested.
No.
So your history is
no.
crystal clear.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mantua, originally.
What are you doing up here?
Well, I was
Living up-
taking my CNA test. Did CNA, phlebotomy, CMA.
You living up here now?
No.
Still living?
I was going to take the PSI test. Right over in those buildings down there, real confusing. It's in my phone, I don't know what it's called. You know, the buildings right down there? There's like a whole bunch of them. There was a treatment center there, a law firm, a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not trying to get a shoplifting charge. And yeah, when I was trying stuff on, I put stuff on top of my bag, in that bag. That's my daughter's. I'm giving it to the gas attendant at the Wawa who helps me out a lot.
That's your daughter's and you're giving it to gas attendant?
Yeah, his name's Terrence. He gives me free gas sometimes. He helps me out. He's a good guy. Look at the brand of them. Where are they going to come from? Dick's Sporting Goods?
Another store?
No.
You say so.
Good.
Can you push him in more? Because he really wanted them. He did. I mean, I can't. I'm
That's
trying to
our
get
bag.
my career and all that. And
He's got to walk you out.
I swear to God, I'm not
I
going
don't-
nowhere.
it
This is
doesn't-
embarrassing. This is mortifying.
I mean,
Please,
you
I'm not going nowhere.
Listen, we didn't put you in this spot, right?
I didn't put myself in the spot either. I didn't leave the store.
Didn't you just say that you popped off tags? You just said you did.
Yeah, but I didn't know
You don't
that
have
was
to
a
leave
crime.
the
I
store.
didn't leave the store.
Okay, just because you don't know something's a crime doesn't mean it's not a crime. You still can get punished for it. Alright?
Well, is there a rule book? Does it say it on there?
There is, yes.
Where does it say? Does it say it on here? Where does it say it on
That
here?
you
That
can't pop
take-
tags?
Yeah, I want to see it written on here.
You can do that as soon as you get released.
Oh.
Let's go over here.
Well, when will I be released?
Once we get everything situated, we'll talk about it when we get to the station,
Does you have
alright?
ID in there?
Freaking
Yeah.
nuts. I've never heard of this shit in my life.
You ever been arrested before?
No.
Okay.
That's why,
Right over here.
I'm not one of them cops and robbers trying to step and die, so I already know I'm in trouble.
We're not saying you're a bad person.
Alright, can you have me get off me? Because
He's gotta
I'm embarrassed. I'm going to go right here. I'm
Hold on.
embarrassed.
Hold on. So
I don't want
just move
anybody
here.
to
Move
see
Right
me.
here
over.
so I can open the door.
Open the door.
I don't want anybody to see
Do you
me.
want to? You want to?
Do you want to?
She's. Do you have anything? You don't have anything concealed?
No. Why would I?
Because people conceal all types of stuff on themselves.
No. I'm not wearing underwear if you want to check.
No, I don't
No,
want
we
to check.
don't
No,
wanna
thank
check.
you.
Alright, just gonna pat down your shoes, alright?
Take them
I'm gonna
off.
take them off.
Ain't nothing in there.
Alright.
You got a car here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's no kids in your car or anything.
Nope. Oh shit, how am I gonna put them back on?
See, that's
I
why.
told you not to take them off.
Now we gotta put them back on.
No, I'll be good.
We're gonna go inside and handle whatever the rest is.
Alright.
Yeah, can you like talk to him? Because I was gonna pay for it. The guy was helping me. Shop.
Well, we're not.
They all were helping me shop.
You're not being charged with whatever was in your bag, like over here.
What do
That's
you mean?
whatever you were looking at.
Whatever you
Whatever was in
popped
your
inside.
cart. We're not concerned about that. You didn't do anything for that
Yeah,
stuff.
I did.
All right. I mean, it's all the stuff that has sensors removed and that you physically handed to the associate that had sensors off of it in the pockets that went in with stuff on. That you actually told him on camera that at least move two. So if there's two, there's three, and three.
Yeah,
there's
on
some.
the pants to move, so I can
you
get
can't
them on.
do that.
Yeah, but where does it say
Okay,
you can't
so
do
listen.
that?
I'm not going to argue.
No, I know,
We'll go
but
down. We'll make
I've
this
never
quick.
heard of that in my life.
Yeah,
That's what
I'll
I'm
even
saying.
read you the statute when we get down there.
Yeah, but like nobody gets a statue sent in the mail. You know what I mean?
No, just take a seat.
Why what?
You get a statue sent in the
What's your
mail?
name? Your name?
Danielle.
Please take a seat.
All right, just study it. Come on.
All right. Can I get my drink?
No,
No, you cannot.
we'll give you some water when you get inside.
How does this work?
Just sit right down.
Just sit down and we'll buckle
Sit
you.
back in. Sit back. Okay. Swing your legs in. Okay, here you go.
Danielle claimed that she had to remove the tags in order to try them on. She admitted to removing the tags off of 2 items. However, store employees told the officers that they found numerous broken sensors inside the fitting room, while there were none prior to her entering. Danielle was placed under the arrest and escorted to the patrol car. She was transported to the Cherry Hill Police Department for further processing. Danielle was charged with shoplifting and released pending her court appearance. An officer gave Danielle a ride back to her car in the parking lot of Dick's Sporting Goods following her release. Court records indicate that on September 5th, 2024, the shoplifting charge was downgraded to an ordinance violation for disturbing the peace. As a result of her plea agreement, Danielle had to pay a total of $530 in fines. Danielle had previously been arrested for shoplifting in Mantua Township on September 19, 2018, and in Winslow Township for having shoplifted on May 14, 2016. She has prior arrests for simple assault in Wildwood, New Jersey on July 1st, 2017, 2013, as well as possession in Mantua Township on October 9, 2013. Danielle was later arrested again for shoplifting in Mantua Township on December 24, 2023, and this was followed by yet another shoplifting arrest in Deptford Township on November 21, 2024.